Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5 Mark III and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's tap on advanced and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them using the build number, so simply find it, watch it and come back to this video. So if we are in the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. Right now it is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and since it is active, your device is allowed to apply updates when it will be restarted, so you do not need to do anything actually. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your SONY Xperia 5 Mark III. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.